Hey, I am Angie, math teacher turned math coach, and I am here to show you a few tips and tricks that I used in my classroom. So, say you're teaching addition or subtraction with regrouping, and you need to have some small groups. You need some guys at your table, you need to pour into them, but you also need everyone else working. Or maybe you need everyone to kind of have a review of it. Maybe you're kind of at the end of it. Some really basic ways to break down those particular standards or concepts is start off very, very simple, okay? I did this in this teacher's classroom the other day, but we did it with word problems. But start with a sort. And what I mean by that is make it very, very generic as far as like, they're not even going to solve these equations. They're just going to look at them and decide, will I need to regroup or will I not need to regroup? So you could do this, think about it. You could do it with addition and subtraction, or you could do it with subtraction for regrouping and not regrouping. So the first step is we're just going to sort the problems. We're just going to look at them and we're going to sort them. Think about the conversation that comes from this type of an activity. If a student knows that they're supposed to regroup, this is a great opportunity for you to have math conversation with them. Ask them the questions. How do you know that we're going to regroup? Those are really, really great conversations because then they know the why behind it. They're not just always regrouping or always not regrouping. So those are really, really great things. Another thing that I did with my second grade teacher the other day is we took word problems and we were differentiating between addition word problems and subtraction word problems. And I wrote Christmas word problems because it was right before Christmas break. And I just had them read them, or I read them aloud, and we determined, are they addition word problems or subtraction word problems? And I have a video on here about what I call a some more word problem or a some went away word problem. And so all they did was sort the word problems. They sorted them on a piece of paper and put the some mores under the some SSM and the some went aways under the SSWA. Then we took two word problems and we worked them together. So as a group, as a whole group, or even if you had them in a small group, you could do it as a small group. We worked them together and we talked about them and discussed them. Great math conversation, right? Then I had them go and work three of them independently. So it was a buildup. It was, okay, let's sort them. Let's determine, how do I tell what type of word problem they are, or how do I tell if I'm going to add, or if I'm going to regroup, if I'm going to not regroup. So these are just some basic ways that we can like kind of break it down, go backward, kind of use the backward model, and even kind of differentiate and let everyone feel successful in the classroom. So think about all the different concepts that you could use that for. Start it with a sort, or review it starting with a sort. So there you go. Tips and tricks. Peace out, bean sprouts.